Alright, so we are on the fundamental teaching of Islam, and the lesson that we're learning is all about the Prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam. What is the name of the lesson? The Prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam. Repeat after me. The Prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam.
The prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam.
Yes, good job. Okay, and this is the picture of Gumbad Khazra. Means the tomb of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and it is situated in Madinatul Munawwarah. Okay, this one. And then you have, I think we did it in the past as well. So you have, I guess, a minute to review this page. Then inshallah I will want to listen these four questions. So review these four questions and let me know when you're ready. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Dania, let me enter the page. Please tell me who is called a prophet.
Um. The wait. The one that was not mocked like uh, uh,
The human to whom Allah Azza wa Jal has sent a revelation for guidance. A revelation for guidance is called a prophet. Say it again. Who is called a prophet?
uh, uh, uh,
Say it again.
the the one whom Allah has sent revelation for guidance.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Dania, tomorrow onwards, it's your task and you have to use headphones. Okay? Right now, I think you're not using headphones, right?
No one is.
You're using headphones, but your voice is really low.
I always
It's really low. Yesterday, it was very good. So you're gonna fix it before the upcoming class, and this is your lesson, and your next lesson will gonna be 2 pages. Here we go. I will send to you inshallah azawajal. So you're gonna review these two pictures before the upcoming class. We'll see each other inshallah tomorrow. Take care, Dania. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
like
Allah Hafiz.